Well, today is my first time opening the Mad Bull from TAMIYA. This is a off-road 1/10 scale RC car. It reminds me of the old Blackfoot, and that is why I purchased it. Mad Bull by TAMIYA. Pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and open it. Woo! Look at that. What do you think, guys? Mad Bull. And it includes a hobby wing. I got this for roughly over $130. Looks sweet. Look at that. All right, let me go ahead and open it, and I'll get back to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside the Mad Bull by TAMIYA. Ooh, sweet, sweet. Tires, nice. What is this right here? Haven't opened anything. Oh, that's sealed. All right, so we'll put that over there. And this over here. And here it is. Giveaway. This is where I'm gonna build it on the carpet. That looks sweet. What color should we paint it? What do you guys think? Leave a comment. This is funny. It's for the antenna. Sweet. Alright. Do we have our sticker books? Oh, here we go. Now that's gonna be fun. Look at that. Mad Bull. That's gonna look sweet. Alright guys, give me a couple hours and we'll get to it. So this is it. Mad Bull by TAMIYA. So guys, I opened the boxes, and these are the parts that came in the box. Whoa. It's quite a few parts. Hopefully it's not gonna be too difficult, but just looking at this, I'm just like, oh crap. All right guys, I'll slowly but surely show you on the development. Wish me luck. Guys, tingnan nyo naman to. Medyo nabuo ko na. Hindi ko palang nalalagay itong mga electronics. Kinuha ko rito sa lumang o nasirang Fortec na Traxxas. Kaya medyo natatagalan tayo. Marami pa akong tinanggal eh. Pero malapit na siya mabuo. Hindi naman siya mahirap. Kaya lang, syempre, hindi naman tayo expert. Kumbaga, kaya medyo natatagalan. So ito na yung cover, and lalagyan natin ng sticker yan o pipinturahan muna natin. Pero hindi pa rin ako tapos dito sa electronics eh. Medyo nahihirapan. Nakabit na natin yung motor. 12 turn, galing din dito sa Traxxas yun. Kaya titignan natin kung matatapos natin today. Okay guys, pero maganda siya, malupit. Tutuwa lang ako. Alright. Okay guys, ito na yung finished product natin. Umaandar naman siya. Pero kailangan pa ayusin yung body, yung pintura, tsaka kung ano yung gagawin natin sa pintura, and then yung mga electronics sa loob, medyo kailangan pang ayusin. Pero nakakaano lang kasi nabuo natin eh. Diba? Okay. Nabuo natin siya, di ba? Pero yun nga, electronics kailangan maayusin. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And maraming salamat. Kita-kita tayo. Kita-kits. Peace. It's Warren Boy. At nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Bye-bye.